In this section, we are going to do the setup process of MyTunes. We will create the package.json, the tsconfig, and the index.html. So let's get started. First, we have to create a folder. Let's make this more flexible. Yes, and let's call it MyTunes. We drag this to our terminal, and let's open this WebStorm. Okay, so let's open WebStorm to start coding. We have MyTunes, yes, in a new window, and here we are. So the first thing that we have to do always to start a new project is creating the package.json. We have done this several times, so let's do it here. A new file, package.json. We need also the tsconfig.json, config.json, and we need the index.html. So these are the three first files that we need, and I suggest to copy the configuration that you need for the tsconfig from the Angular 2 official website. So we copy the tsconfig. Here it is. Remember, we need the target to ES5. Then we have the package.json. Also, we can copy this from the official website. Okay, if you can follow the steps, because I'm going too fast this time, don't worry, I will put the source code in the master class, so you get access to every single file. Finally, we have the index.html. Also, I suggest that we copy this from the official website. Okay, and we paste this here. And we are almost ready to go. So in this case, in this application, in MyTunes, we are going to do something different with the system.import. Normally we have been using TypeScript and the generated JavaScript in the same folder. As this is a real production example, we want to have our source code in a different folder than the JavaScript. So let's put here JS, and we have to create our folders. We have the JavaScript folder. We have the app folder with the source. We will have also a CSS folder. We will use this later on, so let's create it here. Yes, so this is basically the structure that we will need to start coding. The final step to be ready, let's configure a little bit our application, and let's change it, the title to MyTunes. So, okay, if we are pointing to our folder, we should do sudo npm install, so we get all the dependencies from Angular 2. This will take a little bit, as always. And there we are. So we install with npm all our libraries, and with the definiteless type, we install all the typings that we need in our project. So let's refresh our IDE so we can see the changes. Okay, so here we are. So we have the node modules already installed. So this is it. These are the first step that we need to start configuring MyTunes. So see you in the next video.